Here is a comprehensive list of 100 prominent U.S. dividend companies across major market indices, categorized by their economic sectors. Technology and semiconductors. Microsoft Corp., MSFT. Consistent growth with tech sector yield. Apple Inc., AAPL. Massive cash flow backing steady increases. KLA Corporation, KLAC. Semiconductor leader growing its payout. IBM Corp., IBM. High-yielding legacy tech and cloud giant. Broadcom Inc., AVGO. Rapidly growing technology dividend provider. Broadcom Inc., AVGO. Rapidly growing technology dividend provider. Intel Corp., INTC. Established silicon manufacturer. Texas Instruments, TXN. Decades of consecutive payout growth. Cisco Systems, CSCO. Strong free cash flow tech yield. Oracle Corp., ORCL. Enterprise software firm with steady payout. Wow, it's so hot in here, Susan. Can you grab me a root beer? Thanks, she is so lovely. Okay, let's continue. Oh, that root beer is so tasty. HP Inc., HPQ. High free cash flow computing stock. Qualcomm Inc., QCOM. Mobile chip pioneer growing distributions. Analog Devices, ADI. Data conversion semiconductor manufacturer. Microchip Technology, MCHP. Embedded control chip provider. Corning Inc., GLW. Industrial materials and glass innovator. Wow, that root beer is so good. Moving on to the next sector. Financial services and insurance. BlackRock Inc., BLK. Asset management giant with high payout per share. The Goldman Sachs Group, GS. Premium investment banking dividend player. Everest Group, Limited EG. Global reinsurance provider with low PE ratio. JP Morgan Chase & Company, JPM. Largest U.S. bank driving capital returns. Bank of America, BAC. Consumer banking giant with a stable yield. Is everyone still with me on this? Okay, great. Let us continue. Wells Fargo & Company, WFC. Large regional and retail banking framework. Citigroup Inc., C. Value-oriented global financial services firm. Morgan Stanley, MS. Wealth management and investment services yield. Chubb Limited, CB. Dividend Aristocrat property and casualty insurer. S&P Global Inc., SPGI. Financial data provider with continuous growth. CME Group Inc., CME. Aflac Inc., AFL. Supplemental insurance provider with long streak. Cincinnati Financial, CINF. Long-standing insurance dividend aristocrat. Franklin Resources, BEN. Global asset manager with deep value yield. T. Rowe Price Group, TROW. Asset manager with zero long-term debt. MetLife Inc., MET. Major life insurance and employee benefits provider. Prudential Financial, PRU. High-yield insurance and retirement manager. Travelers Companies, TRV. Dow Jones Component Insurance Asset. If you like real estate, you are going to really enjoy this next sector. Real Estate Investment Trusts, REITs. Equinix, Inc., EQIX. Digital Infrastructure Data Center REITs. Public Storage, PSA. Dominant self-storage footprint and cash flow. Essex Property Trust, ESS. West Coast Multifamily Housing Dividend Aristocrat. Simon Property Group, SPG. Leading retail and premium mall REIT. Realty Income Corp., OA. Renowned monthly dividend company. Digital Realty Trust, DLR. Core data center and connectivity provider. Ventus Inc., VTR. Healthcare and senior housing asset REIT. Welltower Inc., WELL. Medical office and senior care infrastructure. Avalon Bay Communities, AVB. High-end suburban apartment community REIT. Crown Castle Inc., CCI. Wireless communications cell tower landlord. American Tower Corp., AMT. Global Telecommunications Infrastructure REIT, WP. I have no idea what that means. Carey Inc., WPC. Diversified Sale Leaseback Commercial Real Estate. Federal Realty Investment, FRT. Retail REITs with longest consecutive increases. The next sector is industrial and aerospace manufacturing. Lockheed Martin, LMT. Defense contractor with strong backlog backing yield. Northrop Grumman, NOC. Strategic aerospace technology dividend distributor. Snap-on Incorporated, SNA. High-end tools and diagnostics manufacturing. Cummins Inc., CMI. Global power solutions and engine manufacturer. Caterpillar Inc., CAT. construction equipment bellwether and Aristocrat. 3M Company, MMM, diversified industrial giant executing turnaround. General Dynamics, GD, aerospace and marine defense manufacturer. Honeywell International, HON, aerospace and building technologies industrial. Illinois Toolworks, ITW, highly decentralized components manufacturer. Emerson Electric, EMR, automation technology and engineering leader. Dover Corporation, DOV, specialized industrial equipment fabricator. Parker Hannifin Corp., PH, motion and control technologies producer. Stanley Black & Decker, SWK, global tools and storage manufacturer. FedEx Corp., FDX, global logistics and transportation provider. United Parcel Service, UPS, high-yield delivery and shipping logistics network. Raytheon Technologies, RTX, aviation systems and defense manufacturer. The next sector is going to be consumer. GWW Grainger, Inc., GWW, industrial supply and B2B distributor. Procter & Gamble, they make great soap, PG, iconic consumer staple with 60-plus year streak. Coca-Cola Company, KO, global beverage king with timeless payout history. PepsiCo Inc., Pepsi is delicious, but root beer is better. PEP, diversified snack and beverage index anchor. Walmart Inc., WMT, mega retailer with expanding grocery and digital share. Target Corp., TGT, general merchandise retailer with steady growth. Colgate-Palmolive, CL, global oral and personal care manufacturer. Kimberly-Clark, KMB, essential personal care paper products producer. Cisco Corp., SYY, food service distribution market leader. Kroger Company, KR, large-scale grocery supermarket chain infrastructure. Altria Group, MO, high-yield domestic tobacco manufacturer. Philip Morris International, PM, smoke-free and global tobacco innovator. Archer Daniels Midland, Admiral, global food processing and commodities. Clorox Company, CLX, cleaning and household products staple. General Mills, GIS, consumer food brands portfolio with reliable cash flow. The next set of companies are in the healthcare and pharmaceuticals sector. Amgen Inc., AMGN, biotech giant scaling pipeline and dividend payouts. United Health Group, UNH, largest healthcare insurer and service manager. Johnson & Johnson, J&J, healthcare bellwether balancing pharma and medtech. Abbott Laboratories, ABT, diversified medical devices and diagnostics. ABB Vi Inc., ABBV, high-yield immunology and oncology therapeutics. Medtronic, PLC, MDT, medical device manufacturer with long-term growth. Pfizer Inc., PFE, deep value global pharmaceutical enterprise. Merck & Company, MRK, pharmaceutical firm driven by oncology breakthroughs. Bristol-Myers Squibb, BMY, high-yield cardiovascular and cancer treatments. Gilead Sciences, GILD, antiviral drug therapeutic market leader. Cardinal Health, CAH, medical products distributor and logistics specialist. Becton, Dickinson, BDX, medical supplies and laboratory equipment supplier. We now move into the energy and utilities sector. Exxon Mobil Corp., XOM, integrated oil giant with high capital returns. Chevron Corp., CVX, cash generative oil major boosting stock distributions. Duke Energy, DUK, regulated electricity and gas provider. Southern Company, SO, regulated utility with growing nuclear asset footprint. Next Era Energy, NEE, renewable energy focus paired with regulated utility. Consolidated Edison, EDID, longest running regulated utility Aristocrat. Dominion Energy, D, power utility serving high-growth data center areas. EOG Resources, EOG, shale oil producer focused on variable payouts. Kinder Morgan, KMI, extensive midstream energy pipeline network. Enterprise Products, EPD, high-yield midstream master limited partnership, MLP. The final sector in this video is communication and consumer cyclical. Verizon Communications, VZ, telecom giant generating major defensive yield. AT&T, Inc., T, refocused telecom network optimizing debt and dividends. McDonald's Corp., MCD, real estate-backed global fast food franchise, not just Big Mac burgers. The Home Depot, HD, home improvement giant tied to consumer equity. Lowe's Companies, Lowe, home improvement retailer with a 50-plus year record. If you would like to analyze specific performance, let me know. I will be more than happy to do a video on it. This video is for entertainment purposes only, and nothing said or shown in this video is financial advice. Always do your own research. Money matters because your financial education is important.